This man lifts a board, takes a step, and falls straight into an open drainage trench. A simple mistake, but a serious reminder. Always watch your step around uncovered trenches. This worker stands too close to the excavator. A dangerous mistake. A harsh reminder to always maintain a safe distance from heavy machinery. One wrong step can lead to serious consequences. This worker is climbing onto a column formwork. No scaffolding, no safety harness, nothing. Working at heights without proper safety measures is a huge risk. Always use harnesses, lanyards, and secure scaffolding. Safety isn't optional, it's life-saving. As always, thank you for watching. Stay safe. God bless.